Hello students, welcome back to your own channel H Study Platform. Today we will discuss most expected questions on chapter climate, soil and water resource. Let's start the video. क्लाइमेट चैप्टर से ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, एक्सपेक्टेड है, आ सकते हैं। आप लोग की प्रिपरेशन तो बहुत अच्छी होगी, पर इन सब क्वेश्चंस को भी एक बार देख कर जाइए ताकि आप लोग स्कोर अच्छा कर सको। क्लाइमेट से ये सारे क्वेश्चंस है। हाउ इज़ द विंटर रेनफॉल ऑफ द नॉर्थ वेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द विंटर रेनफॉल इन द साउथ ईस्ट पार्ट। नेम द सीजन्स इन इंडिया एंड मेंशन हाउ लॉन्ग ईच वन लास्ट। Heat waves days highest in April in 15 years in Gangetic, West Bengal. Mention two probable reasons for the above statement. Name a state that is the first to experience the onset of the monsoon in India. Why does maximum rainfall in India occur after the summer season? The number of wet days is higher in Chennai than in Bengaluru. Why? Name two types of cyclonic systems that affect India and two areas that receive rainfall from them. Himalayas act as a climate divide. Justify this statement. Visakhapatnam records a low annual range of temperature. Why? Mumbai is warmer than Delhi in the month of December. Why? Winds are mostly offshore during the winter season. Why? Winds are mostly offshore during the winter season. Why? How does the mango shower influence the state of Karnataka? Give a reason why the southeast monsoon is delayed by a few days. Give a reason for below normal rains in 2023. Kerala gets rainfall before Uttar Pradesh. The number of tropical cyclones in the Bay of Bengal is more than in the Arabian Sea. Why? Central Maharashtra gets less rainfall than the coastal area. The Malabar coast receives heavy rainfall in July, but the Coromandel coast remains comparatively dry during this time. Why? Kerala has the longest rainy season. Why? Why is the Thar a desert? Define the following terms. El Nino, burst of monsoon, nor'westers, Kal Baisakhi, लू, बारडोली, चेरा। आई होप ये सारे क्वेश्चन आप लोग के लिए यूज़फुल हो, पढ़ कर जाइएगा आप लोग ताकि कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आप लोग से मिस ना हो सके। वाटर रिसोर्सेज। हाउ इज़ द ड्रिप इरिगेशन मेथड यूज़फुल फॉर फार्मर्स? वाई इज़ ड्रिप इरिगेशन नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इन इंडिया? स्टेट टू रीजन्स वाई इरिगेशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इन इंडिया. Give the reasons for the conservation of water. Name three traditional means of irrigation. Why is a perennial canal more useful than an inundation canal? Name one state where canal irrigation is popular. Canal irrigation leads to the ground around it becoming unproductive. Give a reason. Name the types of canals used in India and one point of difference between the types of canals mentioned. Why is drip irrigation not practiced on a large scale? In India, although expensive, sprinkler irrigation has been gaining popularity in recent times. Give reason to explain the above statement. Name two water harvesting system practiced in India. Mention any two methods of recharging the important water conservation technique by diverting glacier stream into small tanks. Difference between surface water and groundwater with examples. Give two reasons why we are facing water scarcity in recent time. Modern ways of irrigation are gaining popularity. Give two reasons to justify the same. ये सारे चैप्टर से ये सारे क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। पॉसिबल है कि इन चैप्टर से ये सारे क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं। अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करके जाओगे, पढ़ करके जाओगे, तो वहाँ पे आप लोग को आंसर देना बहुत इजी होगा, टाइम सेव होगा, कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे। मतलब इन तीनों चैप्टर से ये सारे क्वेश्चन पॉसिबल है, बन सकते हैं। एक्सप्लेन दिस टर्म्स इरिगेशन, कैनल, रूफ, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, नमामि गैंग योजना, surface water and groundwater. Mention any 3 ways in which you as an individual can reuse and conserve water. Mention 2 ways to favor the irrigation of tube wells in Punjab. What are the disadvantages of using well irrigation? State any 2 favorable conditions necessary for digging the well. What is a tube well and why is it useful during drought condition? 2 advantages and 1 disadvantage that tube wells have over surface well. Why is well irrigation still a popular means of irrigation? Next and last chapter, soil resources. State the geographic term for the following process. The process by which soluble mineral dissolve in rainwater and percolate to the bottom, leaving the top soil infertile. The process by which rainwater follows in different parts removes the topsoil, thus causing deep cuts to the surface of the land. Name the soil which is good for the cultivation. State the characteristic of each of the soil name below that make them suitable for crop cultivation. Black soil and red soil, दोनों का आप लोगों को कैरेक्टरिस्टिक करना है. Define soil erosion, humus, soil conservation, soil fertility. Name the soil rich in iron oxide. आई होप आप लोग के लिए सारे क्वेश्चंस यूज़फुल हो. अगर आप लोग इसको घर में ही बिफोर एग्ज़ाम प्रैक्टिस करके जाइएगा तो आप लोग एग्ज़ाम हॉल में कंफ्यूज नहीं होइएगा और टाइम सेव होगा. आप लोग फटाफट इसका आंसर कर सकते हो. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. Thank you for watching.